Nobody ever set their sights on second place. Who aspires to be almost remembered? There's a reason there are no giant foam figures that say, "We're number 3." No one wants to tell an average joke, make an underwhelming entrance, go out with a whimper. No one ever stood in front of the mirror with a hairbrush pretending to be the tambourine player, and there are definitely more kids dressed as Batman than Robin. We all aspire. So when we built the new Samsung Galaxy S2, we built it to be the best and brightest, with the most vivid screen out there, on our fastest phone ever. Because we're Samsung, and that's just the way we're wired. The Samsung Galaxy S2.
Yep.
This is the all-new Samsung Galaxy S5. Filled with innovations that make everyday moments better. With 5.1 inches of Full HD, it's the best screen we've ever created for a smartphone. The Ultra HD camera captures more detail in every moment and snaps photos with twice the resolution of the iPhone. It enhances photos before you get the shot and lets you select the focus after you take the picture. S-Health can give you a nudge when you need it, help you set goals, and track your overall fitness with the first ever built-in heart rate monitor. It's even water resistant, so you can enjoy every moment without having to worry. This is innovation that makes every day better. The Samsung Galaxy S5. The next big thing is here.
You know about my powers, my otherworldly stamina. Who am I? Bag, baby! I am the Galaxy S6. I was born with fast charging. How amazing does that sound, right? While others drink from a thin straw, I am that glorious free-flowing straw of love, baby. You got another one in you? So even when you only have a short time to charge, there's plenty of me to go around. You like magic? Poof! Bang! Charging without cables. How cool is that? Just set me down, watch me fill up. It's just like filling up a cup of coffee the moment it's set on the table, but without all the attitude.
Anything else?
You're fabulous. No need for accessorize. The charging pad, it's all you need. Thank you, Amy. Go get happy. Let me see. What else? Oh, I got it, man. Have you heard about the ultra power saving mode? What is it? You know when you're low on gas, you lose the non-essentials and you slow down. And you throw your arms in the air. Same with me. Check out this action. What you have might not be much, but it's gonna last longer than you think. Oh, and just in case, a battery pack is also available. Yeah, you're welcome. I am basically a thing of beauty. You can just call me the smartphone of your dreams. I'm cool with that. Samsung Galaxy S6. Next is now.